welcome to Tanavi Talks. Today topic is Mahatma Gandhi biography. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter of India ever born. Indian nationalist leader and non-violence advocate 1869 to 1948. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi 2nd October 1869 30 January 1948 was an Indian lawyer, the world's mostest person of 20th century, who employed to lead the successful from and to later inspire movements for the freedom across the world. Applied to him in the 1914 in this New Year of the used to tout out of the world. Born and raised in a family in coastal Gandhi, trained in the lawyer of the London and was the age 22 in June 28, 1891 after two uncertain years in India where was unable to start a successful law practice. He moved to South Africa in 1983 to 1999, represented on India merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to live in South Africa for 21 years. It was here that Gandhi raised a family and first employed non-violent resistance in a campaign for civil rights. In 1915, aged 45, he returned to India and soon set about farmers and urban labourers to against excise and the land tax and discrimination. Leadership of the family in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religions and ethics. Captain of Gandhi adopted the identification with Indians referral where he began to live in a eat to sleep, simple food and undertake as means of both political bringing anti-nationalism to the common Indians. Gandhi led them in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400 kilometers 250 million in 1930 and in calling for the British to in 1942. He was many times and many years in both South Africa and India. Gandhi's vision of as an independent in India based on was challenged in the early 1940s by Muslim nationalism, which is demanded a spirit homeland for within. In August 1947, Britain granted independence, but the British India Empire was into a Hindu majority and as Muslim majority, as many displaced Hindus, Muslims and made their way to their new lands. Religions of the balance broken out, especially in the time of from the affected areas, automating the last of this began in Delhi on 12th January 1948 when he was 78, also had the indirect goal of presenting of India to pay out some cash assets owned the Pakistan of the government of India. Real estate of the act did the religions. The belief that Gandhi had been too resolute in his defense of both Pakistan and India, Muslims, especially those belong in Delhi, spared among some Hindus in India. Among this was a militant from Western India who, by firing the 3 bullets into chest and infected of prayer meeting in Delhi on 30 January 1948. Gandhi's birthday 2nd October is commemorated in India as and worldwide as the Gandhi is common only tough, not only firmly in India, and was common only called Bapu Eredantum for father Papa. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 into a family a coastal town on his father Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi 1822 to 1885 served as the chief minister of Porbandar state. His family from the village Gungan state. All tough, he only had an elementary the education and has previously been a alak in the state as Karamchand Gandhi provided capable chief minister during his Karamchand married 4 times. His first 2 wives dead to a daughter and his third marriage was two daughters, and his third marriage was childless in 1857. Ramchand sought his third wife. Mm. That year, he married Pitalabai in 1894, 1844 too, and he was in Indian Commission of the Jagadish and was from a family. Karamchand and Pitalabai had their children over them of the dead and son Lakshman Das. 1862-1914, a daughter, Rated of Bin 1862 to 1960, and another son, Karansan 1866 to 1913. On 2nd October 1869 to Pitalabai gave birth to her last child, Mohandas, in a dark windlass of the ground floor room of the Gandhi family residences in Pramandan city. As a children, Gandhi was described by this sister radiation of the characteristic of Mercury either playing off of the room about. One of the favorite postmates of the pastimes was twisting dogs. Years the India classics, especially the stories of mankind, had a great impact on Gandhi's childhood. In the autobiography, he admits of their felt and indelible inspiration on his mind. He writes it and of the system of the addicted Harishchandra to myself was times without number. Gandhi's early self-identification with truth and love as supreme values. Supreme. Supreme values is stackable of these epic characters. The family's religious background was electric. Gandhi's father Karamchand and was mother Pitalabai was from a Pranami Hindu family. Gandhi's father was the Mohan Baya and caste in the family. His mother came from the mixture of the medical Krishna Bhakti based Pranami tradition, whose religions of the texts include the Bhagavati Gita, the Bhagavad Gita Purnami, and collection of 14 structures with the techniques of the traditional beliefs include the use of the Vedas, the quantum, and the Bible. Gandhi was deeply influenced of this mother, an extremely pious lady who would not think of faking his muscles of the with also daily prayers. He adults take the hardest valued and keep them without flinching. To keep to her that their consisted of fosters nothing to her. In 1980-74 of Gandhi's father Karamchand left Parabrahma for the smaller state of Rajasthan, where he there became a constituent of the unit. The taker of out of the ranking of was a less punishing state. The Parabrahma is British regional political agency was located there, which gave the states aluminium of the propaganda of the by this brother Tulsidas. His family then enjoyed in the Rajakat. Gandhi, alright with his selected of the brother Lakshman Das in 1866. At the age of Gandhi, extradited of the located of school in project near his home. There he studied the humanities of the arithmetic history, the Gandhi of Gujarati language, the geography at the 11th joined. The school was in Rajagut. After high school, he was an average student, won some prizes, but was a shy and tongue-tied student with the non-interest in games. His only companions of the books and school's lessons. The many 1883, the 13-year-old Mohandas was married to 14 years old. First time was usually sorted to Karshuba of affectionately Bra in an arranged marriage according to the process. Yes. In an arranged marriage according to the process, the last year at school was later allowed to make up in the accumulating studies. His wedding was a joint event where his brother and cousin were also married. Recalling the day of their marriage, the one said, as did not know much about the marriage for his and meet only wearing new clothes, eating sweets and playing with relatives as well as prevailing traditional and adolescent bride who was spent much time at her parents' house and away from her husband. Writing many years later, Mohandas described with the regret and lustful feelings he joyful for this young bride. Even at school, they used to think of her, and that was every antimeter of the latter recalled feeling jealous and protectiveness of her, such as when she would visit. Would visit a temple with her girlfriends and bring sexually trustful in these feelings for her. In late 1885, Gandhi father Karamchand died. Gandhi, then 16 years old, and his weight of the age girlfriends and being sexually lustful in his feelings for her. In late 1885, Gandhi father Karamchand died. Gandhi, then 16 years old, and his weight of sexually lustful in his feelings for her. In late 1885, Gandhi father Karamchand died. Gandhi, then 16 years old, his right of age and 17, had their first baby, who served from a year or few days the old dates acquisitions. First baby who served only a few days the two dates first baby who served only a few days the two dates Gandhi. First baby who served only a few days the two dates agreed of the Gandhi in state of the room and the first baby who served only a few days the two dates agreed Gandhi. The Gandhi couple had four more children, all sons: Arable born in 1888, Emmanuel born in 1894, to Ramdas born in 18 and Devadas born in 1900. In November 1887, the 18-year-old Gandhi graduated from high school in Ahmedabad. In January 1, 1888, he called off Rainbow Smulders College in Bhavanagar instead. Then the sale of degree granting institution of higher education in the region of the but dropped out to his family in Mahatma Gandhi. 1869 to 1948, lived her as a law student, convicted of plaguing a 20 Baranos court, down of Brad's court, and commemorative pugging of the 20 bronze, a coat of bronze court, London. Gandhi had dropped out of the marist and the college. He became referred in Bondley, Moji, Dev, J.C. and Brahmi, president and family feud of advertisements of the Gandhi and his family that he should consider law studies in London. In 1888, his wife Kasturi gave of the birth the first serving son, Haribul. His mother was a comfortable abellant. Gandhi, leaving his wife and family and going so far from home, Gandhi's uncle Tulsi Das also tried to discourage of nephew. Gandhi wanted to go to open the Sumi. His wife and another Gandhi maid was informed of his mother that he would abstain of the meat, the alcohol and women. Gandhi's brother Lakshman Das, who was already a lawyer, abandoned Gandhi's London studies plan and offered to support him Palitbat of giving to Gandhi her permission and blessing. On 10th August 1888, Gandhi, aged 18, left Parabrahma for Mumbai, then known as Bombay, of the Arable of he stayed with the local monk Mahihat of the community. Those address warned him that England would tempt of him communists of compromise his religion to eat and drink in western ways. Deceptive of Gandhi, informing them of his promise to his mother and her blessings, he was exterminated from his caste. Gandhi ignored this and on 4th September and sailed from Bombay to London with the brother. Seeing him of Gandhi attended University College London, a constitute college of the University of London. Please subscribe my channel.